Welcome to How to Solve. This video, I'm gonna show you how to fix missing photos or videos on your iPhone. There are several steps you can take to try and resolve the issue. Here are some troubleshooting methods that you can try. First is restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can help resolve minor glitches. Press and hold the power button until you see the slide to power off. Slide it to turn off your iPhone. Then press and hold the power button again to turn it back on. Then, check the recently deleted album. Your iPhone, open the Photos app and go to the Albums tab. Scroll down and look for the recently deleted album. Tap on it and check if your missing photos or videos are there. If they are, you can select the items and choose to recover them. Third is to check other albums and folders, and this includes your iCloud photos. It is possible that your photos or videos were accidentally moved or placed in different albums or folders. Explore the other albums and folders within the Photos app to see if you're missing items that are located there. Lastly is restore from a backup. You can try restoring your iPhone from a recent backup. Connect your iPhone to a computer with iTunes, select your device, and choose the Restore Backup option. This will replace the current data on your iPhone with the data from the backup. Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.